katog diri kon. Giduka. Bahalag basa no. Mo lagi. So guys, basa may bat hapit mi sa Villa Milagrosa. Oh, pagkuan mo 5 seconds each.
Asa diri ang kuan ani ba okay mga kamera.
Kini. Paigo ko sa light para mahayag ko. Kilis ha.
Lamay kayong ambience. Nindot ni siya diri maghinulsol kasi mo mga sala. Villa Milagrosa guys. It's in the mountains of Ronda, Consno. Butong, barangay, sitio. Barangay Butong. Right. So if you can see, the statues are I think very old because you can see that they are not already there. Perfect mga structure. Some are broken. So I already went around. So there's a lot. It seems like a station of the cross, but I'm not really sure. It symbolizes and show scenes of Jesus, mga journey, and some statues already have some statues don't have heads anymore, so I think they're very old. So there you go. So let's go beside Mama Mary to pray. Because it's my first time here. We can pray here, and oh my gosh, sorry, Villa Milagrosa. That's Mama Mary, guys. Ronda. Hi, Mama Mary. Thank you so much. Kian guys, Kian mahinay. So the place is actually perfect for prayer. It's very solemn, and if you want to pray, meditate, it's good for meditation too. And I'm not sure if maklaro akong now, but I would suggest if you come here. I don't know though. I did not read the guidelines if pwede sila mag-tent here, but there are huts. I can see families having food. Muna siya. Yeah, I think I can confirm the Station of the Cross good siya nag-surround sa Mama Mary. So guys, there are a lot of pine trees as well. It's very cold actually. I'm still wet because I swam in their ocean in Casadya, and now we're here at the mountain. So thank you so much municipality of Ronda for having us here, for being so hospitable, for bringing Bisaya YouTubers Club here. Thank you so much DJ Jackie Aquino for bringing BYC here. So see you later guys. Mag-praise ako.
Ani mo luyon ako. Okay, guys, so while I was taking photos there sa mga stations of the cross, there were girls who came near me and then asked me to take photos of them. So I came here in front. Magpa-picture din sila nako. And then I asked, "Kailan di mo?" They go, "Yes." Si Maan do kudzay.
Napanood nila.
Giunsa ninyo pagkibaw? Nangutana mo?
Si Ma'am Pearl, ma'am, nga ana niya akong gi-search dayon imuhang kuan tong CYC.
BYC. Okay, di maklaro inyong naong bitag sa tagsaon ta mo. Dali mo dire. Apil?
Dili mo pa.
Sige, sulti inyong pangalan, inyong address. So, taga dire jud mo.
Yes, ma'am.
Yang ano na rin mo gabi na?
Always man may diri man.
Laag.
Or baka inabangan nyo si Margrette, ha?
Dili oy. So, dugay na mo tig-arian.
Yes, ma'am.
Unsa imongan ikaw una?
Ay, Nikki Grace Isugan.
Iyan na daw imong naong. Nikki Grace,
Isugan.
ikaw,
Mary Ann Karangi.
Mary Ann Karange,
Kisi Isugan.
Lo.
Liza Isugan.
Igsoon mo?
Igaga.
Igagaw? Okay. So, taga diri jud mo sa butong? So, unsa inyo nabantayan na kanang more activity sa mga tao diri everyday na abay daghang tao?
Sa una, ma'am.
Daghan siya.
Bago pa ni giabli balik?
Kuan po ng... Kuan naman niya siya karon ng...
Sa una open ra ni siya pero karon nga gikural na siya kanang murag tagsa na ang mga riba kay kana bitong kanang
Sirad ani nila?
siradan nila pero alas 5 open sa buntag.
5 a.m. until 6, di ba?
8 a.m.
Murag 5 ako nabasahan dito.
5 ang close na.
5 p.m. close na? Sa'yo di ay.
Buti open sila ngayon.
Oh, may
Basin tungod na.
bantay na.
Okay.
Or is there like a specific day, like every weekend open siya whole day?
O kanang like, kinsa man ilahang pananghiran if ganahan sila group sila mo ari.
Ang naad pero...
Ang caretaker? Pwede ba diri mag-tent or mag-overnight dili no?
Wala pa
Hindi
may
ata.
unsay lahat yung unsay ilang para i-close jud ni siya pero ana daw.
Lakan jud nila.
Pero 8, mga 8 anak close, i-close na sa tagabantay.
8 p.m.
Oh. Pero
I-close
basin pwede ra kay naman si ma'am.
Sige, so kinsa man inyong ganahan i-greet.
Ikaw.
Shout out.
Tatay ko sa kong crush. Oh my God.
Kisa imong crush.
Secret.
Wala. Unsa ni pag-ibaw na para shout out niya to.
Sige na na siya. Tatay ko na yung soy-soy.
Ano na naman ni revelation? Soy. Ay, mana siya shout out ni Soy. Ikaw, kinsa imong shout out? Inyong pamilya di ay, inyong pamilya di ay.
Hi lang ko sa akong anak si Prince John. Karangi.
Prince John Karange. Kamo?
Hi lang ko sa akong uncle.
Uncle. Kisa man imo uncle?
Ramil.
Si Ramil, ikaw?
Hi sad ko sa akong tito.
Tito na si?
Tito nga lang.
Inyo din mo magpapadin niyo i-greet?
Wait mo na ko.
Oh, ilang mga parents po. Naday ko'y nakitaan mga kuandere, kanang mga nasaag. Okay, so, invite ninyo ang mga tao na bisitahon ni si Mama Mary diri sa Villa Milagrosa. Sige, kamo invite mo. Pwede magbisaya. Giawhag na ko ang mga tao.
Hi everyone. Pwede din mo manhid diri sa ng Villa Milagrosa. Nindot kini siya laagan niya. Pwede mo take og picture.
Yes, nindot gid kayo siya. Daghan kayo stations of the cross. Niya napag nindot na Mama Mary. Bisan gawas gani no kinay mga nindot na lights, nindot dito picturean. Kamo wala mo lang ikasulti? Ay na dayon. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Gikamo tanan. 4, 3, 2 and
Thank you for watching and see you next time.
hello, oy perfect kayo. Bye. Agi ko. So guys, we are in Butong, Ronda. It's actually a mountainous area here in Ronda, and this is the Lady of Miraculous Medal. So if you wish to come here, pangitaa lang ang Butong. Barangay Butong, guys. Hey guys, I think this is a better angle. So once again, we're here. Where are we? Talk to your future subscribers.
Ronda.
You're in Ronda, and what's your name again?
My name is
Frances.
Princess.
Princess 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 Zeta Alma G Ungab. So we will race again, but I think I'll have a hard time. I'll just take a video of you going there. Huh? Or we can
not race, but we'll just.
we can float and go there. Let's go. Are you ready? Ready and
How about we'll not race, but we'll just.
float. Okay, not float. Okay, not race. Go. Hey, where are you? Kapuyas akong paoy. Are you okay? Okay, let's swim na lang. Normal swim.
Can we race like here?
Race?
Here. Yeah.
It's hard for my hand to be like this when racing.
How about like you just set it there first and then
Set there?
like we set it underwater and then we race
Where will we put this?
like under.
In the ground?
Yeah.
And then we pass by?
Yeah. And then we can just grab it after.
No, it needs to look at us, man.
Like when we go underwater, like example.
Do you want to swim underwater and video? Ready? Breathe. I'll take random clips below. Okay, or under. Ready? And 1, 2, 3. Hey, I was looking for you. Are you okay?
Yeah. My arms hurt.
Why?
I keep on.
Hurry up. I think I lacked air. I breathed too quick.
I kept on doing like this, so I didn't.
What?
Like I kept on doing this, like I can't.
It makes you tired.
Yeah. My arms and my legs.
Okay. So, guys, if you don't know her, I actually met her just today. We came here to Ronda to help promote Alma de Ronda. You were there a while ago, right? Yeah, I think I remember your sister. She went near me because she thought I was her mother. So we went to Alma de Ronda. It's really it's just beside the plaza of Ronda, and then afterwards we went to the Milagrosa shrine. Was it there? A Lady of...
No, it was like it starts with a letter.
We went there first?
Yeah, we went to the
Alma de Ronda again.
Kasaja? Yeah, Kasaja.
Oh! Yeah. I was not in the mood a while ago because we were not able to communicate well. My phone died, and then some were left in the street. They were just walking to the beach because the van did not recognize them.
Yeah, we even got to the wrong.
Diba? So guys, there was a lot of miscommunication, but we ended the day well. So we would like to thank Konsehal Pearl Ungab for this opportunity to be here in their private rest house. This is Z once again. She's having her own channel. We're just helping her. She'll be joining BYC soon. So I hope you guys support her as how you support me. So, what will be your intro?
I don't really think of much, but just like a simple intro. But since for my very first vlog, I would think like, hi everyone. If you don't know me, I'm just like new YouTuber like stuff. And then yeah, and my real intro will be, hey guys, welcome back. And then yeah, it's just
Okay, just make one up. It changes anyway every vlog you make. Right, so there are bubbles there at the side. But
massages your back.
let's go ahead and try it. Bubble thing is near their swimming pool massagers. Making it up. How many minutes can you hold your breath?
I actually don't know.
You wanna
It
count?
depends.
You wanna just hold and count. Let's meditate first. Let's meditate first and then let's count. You'll meditate there. Oh my gosh, she's really meditating. Okay, I'll try to meditate here underneath. Oh my god. We're actually leaving at 9. So I need to get dressed in a bit. Let's go down and let's see if we can last long. Stay there. Okay. Ready, set, go. Are you okay?
I don't know who's first.
I learned from a free diving class that you need to breathe in through your mouth and pretend you have a transparent straw.
I don't really. I used to really hold my breath long.
No?
I don't like maybe because I use too much energy.
Yeah. So if you want to breathe in air, you need to and make sure you expand your stomach while you're doing it so that you can have more space for the air. And when you're down, you don't let go of the air, just hold it. But I am very bad at it. So
But
yeah, I won. Because I'm bigger. Anyway guys, so we're ending this vlog here and we're going home later on. So we're actually going home in a bit. So thank you so much once again, Ronda, for being our venue for the day. We actually went to Dumanhog, Molboal. Let's go. Huh? Magilis na ko. Say bye, Z.
bye.
See you next time.
Bye.